No, it's dark. There goes Kevin with our kerboom. Happy New Year 2017. Ooh, you gotta wait for that car, Kevin. The sheriff? Already? No, that's not the sheriff. You need a better lighter? Oh, wait. Get out of there. That's, yeah. Icy. Ooh, way fun. Way fun. Cool. There you go. Another safe trip.
Alright.
Alrighty?
I'm going home.
Too dark. You're going home?
Rock and roll.
Happy New Year.
We'll see you next year.
See you next year. Okay. Alright.